guys, welcome back. So if you haven't gathered, we're working on the rear end. We're doing rear brakes. Upgraded the pads a little bit in hopes that'll help on the track, as well as we are doing steel lines, and we are flushing the system with some better brake fluid because I was getting a lot of brake fade at the last two track days. I mean, I don't really track this car in summer and I have no real experience with it, so it's probably just to do with the heat. So we're upgrading things, and it's about time that I do these anyway, seeing as like I clearly take this car seriously as a track car. So I need to start doing more track focused stuff to this car. So that is what we are doing today. And I was really worried and I didn't film to begin with because I'm really used to getting the wrong pads sent to me all the time for my cars. But Tire Rack has been doing me good lately with pads, and they did send the right ones, which is awesome. I've gone to a couple places before and ordered things, and then they come and they're wrong. So I was really afraid when they got here that they were the wrong ones, but thankfully they weren't, so no time has been wasted. So with that being said, I'm going to finish installing this side, and then we'll do the lines and the other side. Alrighty, so I put the Hawk 5.0 pads to match the front. That's what I'm running in the front currently. Wanted to try something new because I've just been running the OEM pads on here, so I wanted to go with something different, so I figured I would try the Hawk pads. So I'm also going to throw them on the rear now. I just did the front ones, as you guys saw in my last track prep video, so that's what I'm going to do for this, and then change out the lines, and then oh, this is our new fluid. So yes, this was all super quick to get here. I think it all got here in like 2 days, which was awesome.
So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? Let you
Okay, so we've pulled the original lines out, the rubber lines, and we just lined up the new line. Here's our new line that we're trying to line up. Sorry, it really doesn't want to focus. Come on. So that's the new line we just got in, and now we are lining it up to the other side over there. Yay!
So why is it so hard to let you go?
Okay, it's the next day. It got dark on us, so today we are doing the front lines on the F56 and then hopefully getting it to bleed. So that's exciting. Hopefully we'll have some good brake fluid and some better stopping power after this, and hopefully our lines won't get overheated. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on pulling off the original lines in the front and putting on the stainless lines. So after all this, we did attempt to bleed the brakes and we got all the calipers bled, but our pedal was still dropping to the floor. So obviously after consideration, we figured that the only logical answer was a bad master. So I went ahead and ordered one that I found in California, just hoping that it'll be here in time. I am starting to track a lot more often now. It is cooling off, although California is holding off on me on cooling off. It's supposed to be cooling off, but this is usually track season for me. I don't prefer tracking in the summer all that much just because of how hot it is, but we are heading into our track season, or at least my track season here in California. So I need this car to be ready. This is my main track car. So I'm just hoping that it comes in time for the next track day and we can get that worked out. If this doesn't fix our issue, I will obviously continue to move forward and try figuring out whatever the problem is. I do drive this car very hard, so it definitely would not surprise me that something has failed on it at this point. It's been so good to me. It has so many track hours on it, and I have yet to really replace anything outside of maintenance. With that being said, I think that this will fix it. That is seemingly what the issue is, because when we do press the pedal multiple times, we do start getting a firmer pedal. So that makes me think that the booster is okay and it's just our master that is bad. So fingers crossed this fixes our issues before the next track day. But you guys keep an eye out. I will obviously be updating you guys very soon when we get that in and sort that whole situation out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out, and I will catch you in the next one.